Hi, I'm Jason with Premier Dent Repair, and you might be surprised to see what we can fix using Paintless Dent Repair. Now let me show you what we can do. Hit it!
And that's exactly what we did right there, was hit it with a piece of lumber to kind of simulate a real-world scenario. You can see that thing goes really deep into the panel, right on that body contour. But we have no problem fixing this without painting, without doing any body work on the vehicle, and we can do this at your location, making it super convenient for you as the customer. You don't have to worry about dropping the vehicle off anywhere. We all know that dropping a vehicle off somewhere and waiting for the repair, you kind of have to alter your everyday life. It's kind of a hindrance, and by using this method, you're avoiding all of that. And there are no materials used whatsoever. The car remains 100% original, keeping everything intact the way it was before it was damaged. We have all the latest tools and techniques in order to provide you the highest quality repair outcomes that are available. So what you saw right there was actually us hitting a door 3 times in order to get the deepest dent we could in the panel, kind of overstretching this metal. Actually, I shouldn't say kind of, it is overstretched. It physically is different now. So we have to go in there and kind of get everything up using traditional pushing techniques from the backside. And you can look and see in the paint there that this metal is just kind of moving around. We're manipulating it slowly from the inside and outside. And sometimes we do have to remove parts, to gain access to the backside, but that's not a problem. We do this every single day. And just also keep in mind that we are professionals. I do not suggest trying this at home. Look at these results. And this repair is complete. And as you can imagine, a customer, if this was their vehicle, they would be super happy. Just keep in mind, these are actual donor vehicles where we are able to experiment and create these types of damage and then repair them, just to show you what's possible. What we're doing here is called the glue pulling technique. Now, when we don't have access from the backside of the panel, we typically rely solely on using these glue tabs to fuse temporarily plastic tabs to the panel with hot glue and then pull it, just like you're seeing here, which basically pulls the damage up. And then we have to get in there and actually knock it back down and then just basically manipulate it 100% from the outside of the panel. Whereas we normally would have access from the backside, we can push the metal out, which is always, the first choice. But when there's no other option as far as getting behind the panel, this is what we have to use, is glue pulling. You can see it's coming along very nicely. This takes a lot of time, and we're able to get these results. I mean, look at this. It looks like it never happened. And like I said, these repairs, they take many, many hours. You want to make sure you hire out a skilled technician when you have these repairs done. You typically only get one chance to have it done right, and we can give you these types of high quality outcomes. Just one kick wasn't enough, so we added a couple other hits just to demonstrate how extreme of a dent we can repair using the Paintless Dent Repair method. We're going to fix this 100% of the way without affecting the factory paint finish. Everything stays original. And you can see here, this is a really severe dent, obviously. We're just using different techniques to kind of bring the bulk of the metal up and then skillfully tapping down. And then again, going from the backside, you can see that reflection just moving. It's an indication of where our tool tip is as we're pushing the metal back up into position. It's getting better and better, as you can see here. Here's about a midway point into the repair. You can see it's a little choppy in there, but that's typical Paintless Dent Repair during the repair phase. And this is roughly about a 10-hour repair. It's an all-day thing for us. But it's a huge value for any customer seeking the highest quality repair outcome and the overall best solution for repairing their vehicle when it comes to automotive dents. We really appreciate you stopping by to check this out. Hopefully learn something new about the value of Paintless Dent Repair. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions or go onto the website. Thank you again. Have a great day.